guys, welcome to the Right Way 360. If you are a newbie, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell button so every time we drop a new video you get notification. Now if you are an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back to the Right Way 360. And today we are going to turn this old bookcase into this new bookcase. Stay tuned.
So stick around, we might have something that'll change your frown. The Right Way 360, yeah, the money, yeah, we really bout our life done changed since we came up and made it out. Yeah, we made an intro song, you already know that now. About to run it up, yeah, we bout to get them bucks, yeah, we making moves, and we bout to buy these rentals up. Last thing we worry about is a hater in the comments. Came from the struggle, eat bologna and a ramen. Remember when we were homeless? Came to Alabama with 54 cents. Now we rolling in the bins with 5% tints. Came up from nothing, said it don't make sense. Yeah, we came from the struggle, stay on the hustle. I don't know about y'all, I can't complain about the puzzle. Too many snakes in the grass, I had to walk on the gravel. Taking trips to Japan, we had to learn how to travel. Yeah, we styling, moving silence, gotta hide it. Hate it from the outside of the bins.
Hey guys, are you ready to turn this old bookcase into a work of art? I'm ready. I don't know about you. Now go ahead and get your foam board and a ruler, because first thing we're going to do is measure your bookshelves, because everybody's bookshelf is going to have different measurements. So make sure you measure twice, because once you cut the board you can never ever go back. So make sure you measure twice. So right now we are just taking a measuring tape so we can draw the line to make sure the line is as straight as possible. Okay, once you have your line all drawn in, you are going to cut it out. Now you can use anything to cut out your board, but we are using the X-Acto knife because we tried to use our scissors and it was not cooperating with us, so we decided to just go ahead and use the X-Acto knife. Took a little bit longer because that's all we had at the time, but if you have something that can cut through that board easier, just go ahead and use that. After you cut your board out, you are going to put it on the bookshelf to make sure it fits. Once you are satisfied with the fit of the board, you are going to take it down, and then you're going to start to do the little border, which is like a little lip around the foam board. Okay, so I put the mirror sheet in the middle of the boards to make sure that it is even, and our mirror size was 8 by 5 by 11 inches. The description of where I got my mirror will be in the description box below the video. Once you have everything all centered, guess what time it is? It is time to do, you're right, the borders. So we are going to put the borders around the mirror, as you can see, just like that. And we're just making sure that it's all centered because we do not want to have to recut again. So like we said before, double check yourself, double measure yourself before you make it permanent. So we decided to just go ahead and miter this corner. Now you do not have to do that. You can square it off, but we wanted to make it more elegant and more put together, so we decided to miter the corners. At this point, you can also mark off where the mirror needs to be so you don't lose your placement. So now we're just putting all 4 corners together to make sure it even out. Now it's time to glue them on. So we're just using a simple glue gun, and we're gluing the corners, the lip or the corner, whatever which one you want to say, on. Okay, so we moved the mirror out of the way so we didn't get any glue or have any damage to the mirror. And then we're at once you have your frame all glued down, go ahead and put in the mirror and make sure it fits. Okay, we are done with the first one, and now we have 4 more to go. So you're going to do this times 4 or whatever how many shelves you need. Okay, once it's dry, you're going to take it outside and you're going to spray paint it silver. You're going to let that dry thoroughly, and then we're going to take a Mod Podge and we're going to paint it on the border only. Then you're going to take some glitter. We have 2 different types of glitter, fine glitter and a thicker glitter, and also crushed glass mixed together, and we're sprinkling on the border. Once that is dry, you are going to take a spray adhesive and spray all over the glitter. Then you are going to take off the sticker part in the back of the mirror so you can stick it on the foam board. Once you're done, you're able to rip off the film that's on top of it, the protective film, just like so. Once everything is dry, you are going to take the boards and put them into your bookshelf. Take your time while you're doing this, and you will have some fallout, glitter fallout. That's okay. That is just fine. We did spray it with some adhesive, so that will not allow all the glitter to fall off. And here you have the finished product. We did add some lights. The lights will have different color lights on there, and it's just simple battery operated lights, and I will have the description on the bottom below where I got those lights.
It had been $100, yeah, just to get some better lunch. Yeah, we was money hungry, yeah, we had to get us some.